aka NC Games here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your own intro. So basically what I'm going to be doing is, or before we start, I'm going to be, you know how I usually start like this? Yes, you probably do. So I'm going to have my webcam start right here because usually it doesn't I don't like it because it's hard to make my intro because you have to time it right instead of the countdown that you usually do. So basically what you're going to be doing is, or also there's going to be a voting poll. It's going to be in the top right corner. So go ahead and check that out. I'm sure you guys are going to like it. I'll give you a hint. They both involve Fortnite. If you guys heard that, they both involve Fortnite. Yes. So go check that out. So what you want to do, you want to go to your Google Chrome. You don't search it up in the middle one. Go to the top one, or else it would not work. You're going to look up panzoid.com. Once you're on that, enter. Okay, blah, 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 blah. Once you're on that, gaming with it, okay, whatever. So you're going to pick a template. Oh, also, there is outros too. Yes. There are outros too. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this one. This one looks pretty good. So now once you click it, you're going to go to Open in Clipmaker. Once you go to Open in Clipmaker, this should pop up. Let it load. Just let it load. Okay, once it's loaded, don't click anything yet. Don't click anything on the side, not yet. So what you want to do, you want to go down to this eyeball next to in these 3 things, or in these 5 things. Click the eyeball, okay? Now, click the play button. See if you like it or not. You know what? I might keep this one. I actually might keep this one. Oh yeah, guys, leave in the comments down below if you would like me to have this intro instead of the intro that I had in the beginning of this video or my other videos. Leave down in the comments below. So once you like that, now you're gonna go to this, or actually check mark yes. If it's 1920 by 1080, you're good. If it's 1280 by 720, you're good. Anything else? No, you don't want it. So now you're going to go here. You're going to look for the text part, and then you're going to go here. Okay? And you're going to name every single one of them NC Games, or whatever your intro is. Enter. Now go to this one. Name it NC Games again. Okay? Wait. NC Games? Yes. Now go to this one. Boom. Do it again. Name them all NC Games, or whatever your thingamajigger or your YouTube channel is. Now you want to watch it again and see if you like it. Okay, you like that one? I do. So once you're done with it and you actually like it, you're going to go to the download button and you're going to start video render. Booyah. Okay? So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, comment, and smash that subscribe button.